Today we're going to demonstrate how to catch a football. First, you have to get your hands ready, but not so far apart, so bring them in some. And you don't want to have your hands flat, so let's shape the football. Now, most of the time we're going to want our quarterback to hit us in our chest, so we're going to catch the ball around right here. But if the ball happens to go below our waist, we're going to take our pinkies down and catch it like this. But for this example, we're going to have our pinkies up, because that's where we want our quarterback to hit us. Here are 3 examples of how to catch it above your waist. And here's 3 examples of how to catch the ball below your waist. Just always remember the rule of pinkies: down for a low ball and up for a high one. Thank you for watching.